really bring the brains from university directly into the economy. And I think this is a very good job what the I²c is doing here.
Probably the best thing that I've learned is to see, maybe it showed me a bit more how the world is functioning in a way. So, you get to see different disciplines from other people and see how motivated they are in their own projects.
So it's a fantastic initiative. We've got mega talent here, and what I really have to say, also amazing amount of mentors that the whole team has been able to assemble here. Excited to see how they're going to develop within the next couple of months, and I'm quite looking forward to the next pitches.
The I²c STARTacademy is almost a unique event in Austria, and I think there should be many more like this. It was pretty clear today how much knowledge and how much technology there is, but there's a huge potential in business. And also really to change some industries.
What I really find amazing is the support that we received from these mentors, the tips and hints and pieces of advice, and the actually also cooperation between the teams, because we would really discuss with each other of how it is to have this one idea that you would like to bring to the next level.
These 4 days, they were the most incredible days in my life. I have learned so much new about business, financing, about new ideas. I got so many new ideas.
I truly believe that there's a huge potential in universities, especially in technical universities. If we can make use of that talent, that's of advantage for all of us, for the universities, for Austria itself, and for all the companies getting in touch with the universities.
When you work at the university as a PhD, you have like a small field of view, what's going out there, and you need feedback. So I think this is a great opportunity.
Was it worth the 4 days of hard work?
Most definitely. We got great input from the mentors and great work, great teams that we worked.
Sleep.
A little sleep.
Yes.
The big challenge was to make our research understandable to non-scientific persons, and I'm really grateful to the pitch trainers, to the financial trainers, to the input we got from the marketing, sales and so on, it was a great experiment.
The learning curve was amazing. I got a lot of positive and negative feedback, so much input that my brain is exploding. Everything was organized very perfectly. We could just incubate and stay in and talk to the people all the time. There were so many mentors. Some were especially chosen for me. That was something I did not expect and appreciate very much. I've learned so much about pitching and how much work you can put into 3 minutes. And thank you for the opportunity and for the great time I had. Thank you very much.
The organization was really good, so we didn't have to worry about anything. Everything was so well prepared. We just came in the morning and go back very late in the evening.
I underestimated a little bit that it's a boot camp. It's tough, it starts early, it ends late, and then we have the homework. But it was awesome. It was great, a huge experience. I learned a lot.
I always like events of I²c because the tech quality of the products is really phenomenal. Sometimes we can support them a bit when it comes to the business model, the business case, how to bring the product on the market. But the tech, and that's the core of every software company, is amazing, and that's why it's super relevant for us to be here, to be part of the jury, to see these great entrepreneurs early on. And if I'm invited again, I'll be back for sure.